Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to delete cache files from Google Chrome. Cache files are temporary files that build up on your system over time and help speed up Google Chrome by reducing loading times for websites and animations. However, as these cache files accumulate, they can take up significant storage space, so it's helpful to clear them periodically. Let's go through the steps. First, open Google Chrome. Next, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select the Clear Browsing Data option. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open this window directly. In the pop-up that appears, select Cached Images and Files. If you only want to clear the cache, you can uncheck the other options. Clearing the cache will free up storage space taken up by these files, though it may cause some sites to load a bit slower the next time you visit them. Once you're ready, click Clear Data, and that's it. You've successfully cleared your cache, and your system now has more free space. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share it with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.